All right, welcome back, guys. Um, Came across an article that is raising questions in my mind. I'm wondering what is going on here. Um, According to the Jamaica Observer, Leon Bailey is training alone and working with the physiotherapist. So this would indicate that he's probably carrying an injury into the USA game. The other question is, will he figure in that game? All right, let me just read a couple paragraphs from this because this is going to be a short one. Dallas United States, for a second day running Reggae Boy midfielder Leon Bailey did not train with his teammates, but instead engaged in light workout sessions. At training periods on Thursday and yesterday at the University of Dallas complex, the Bayern Leverkusen star worked out physiotherapy with team physiotherapist and was also seen receiving attention from the masseurs. Okay. It could be ascertained, it could not be ascertained why Bailey was not participating in the tactical training sessions, and the information regarding the reason was not immediately forthcoming inside the camp. The 23-year-old Bailey, who remains on the radar of a number of English clubs, did not play in Jamaica's 1-0 loss to Costa Rica in the CONCACAF Gold Cup on Tuesday night, raising concerns among football watchers. I'll skip out a few things. It says Bailey last took part in full training with the team last Monday at the ESPN Worldwide Sports Complex in preparation for the Costa Rica game. So um, it's evident that the player is carrying an injury, and this is concerning, seeing that the USA match is tomorrow. Um, Although he has failed to fire, I have to be honest, the man is coming off an injury. Um, he's very important to the team, understand? And the threat that he possessed with just his presence, or he possesses with just his presence, is considerable and gives Jamaica quite an advantage. So we're hoping that Leon is fit and ready to go for tomorrow. From what I'm reading, seems like they're being cautious. Hopefully, it's not all negative. Um, but we'll follow this one and keep you guys informed. Remember, leave your comments below. Remember to like and share. I'll see you guys next time. All right.